everyone.
Hello everyone.
My name is Carla Umaga. This one, Teacher Joanna.
Yes, and today we're learning about straight line and curve line. Okay, can you follow me? Carla Umaga. So, follow me. Straight line, curve line, curve line, straight line, curve line, straight line, curve line. Okay, and then now, hi. Now write it here. Straight line. Very good. Letter B. Capital letter B. Okay. Do you like star today? How many stars do you like today?
11.
How many? 11. Why?
Because Mama Mel
Mm-hmm.
give me
Give you bite? Wow. So let's do this. Okay, write more. Letter B. Straight line, curve line.
No.
Curve line. Oh, are you happy with this?
No.
Okay, do it better. You want to do it better?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, see you later.
Bye.